Azure Virtual WAN provides a unified hub and spoke architecture for connectivity, security, and routing using the Microsoft Global Backbone. This is network as a service, which provides you these simplified options for connectivity, security, and routing. So let's get started here. First, you deploy a virtual WAN. Then in it, you deploy multiple hubs. You can have various hubs, which are nothing but Microsoft VNets that you deploy in different regions. And as you start connecting the different users, we start looking at what kind of users. So you can have a remote user connect in, a branch user connect in, a private connectivity or an express route user connect in, or an SD-WAN user connect in. And as you start connecting in, these connectivity endpoints in virtual WAN are the gateways. Now, these gateways have different kinds of features. Now, you can be a small customer and get going, or you could be a huge enterprise customer that could be using Azure Virtual WAN with this hub and spoke topology, wherein on the branch side, you get scale, and not only on the branch, on the point to side or the remote user connectivity, on the express route side, also you get scale. On the branch side, you also get the ability to connect SD-WAN connection ins. And let's say if you had overlapping branch IPs, then you also can enjoy the NAT functionality on the Azure VPN gateway. On the remote user connectivity or the point-to-site VPN gateways, you get scale as well as global traffic manager. So what that means is if your user is, let's say, moving around in the globe, they can just download a global WAN profile and they can connect to any region automatically and access your Azure resources. We also support the Microsoft Azure Windows and Mac OS clients, so these clients can connect in to those point-to-site gateways. On the private connectivity side, ExpressRoute provides private connectivity into the ExpressRoute gateways. Now, if you are looking for encryption, you can do IPsec over ER, where the IPsec endpoint is the Azure VPN gateway. So now that you know about connectivity, what if you wanted to protect your traffic? So in Azure Virtual WAN, you have the ability to add an Azure Firewall, and in that Azure Firewall, you can have multiple security policies. So we allow both standard and premium capabilities. And by the way, these Azure Firewalls conceptually are known as the Secure Hub capabilities. Now, let's say you didn't want the Azure Firewall. You just wanted internet breakout policies for third-party systems like iBoss, Checkpoint, Zscaler, and so on. You can also do that. And let's say you didn't want the Azure Firewall or the policies, but you wanted your favorite network virtual appliance, you could also deploy that. Last but not the least, let's say you wanted to have multiple VNets connected and you wanted different kinds of routing. Routing is where virtual WAN shines. When you deploy a hub, you actually get a router, which is 3 Gbps in capacity out of the box. That router is provisioned inside each and every hub. Now you can have multiple hubs and every hub comes with its own router. This router enables you the ability to do transit. Now you can have transit connectivity between VNets. You can have transit connectivity between branches and remote users. You can have transit connectivity between ExpressRoute and SD-WAN users. You can have transit connectivity across any of these spokes, which are VNets, branches, point-to-site users, or ExpressRoute or SD-WAN users. Additionally, we also support advanced routing. So you have the ability to propagate and associate route tables. You have also the ability to do routing intent and BGP peering, which I'm going to talk to you shortly after. Last, we also have the managed NVA solutions in Virtual WAN. These solutions are third-party or non-Microsoft solutions that are available in the Virtual WAN Hub.